So, and then I'll start sharing. So now I'm sharing the Chrome, right? Yeah, you're on mute, but I'm sharing Chrome. So today's goal is to add a tab to the sidebar panel. And in this case, we want to show a Google Maps. So in order to get there, we need to do this via UI Builder. UI Builder is accessible when you click on your name badge and click Configure Workspace. That will open the classic UI, UI 16 configuration, and that has a UI action open UI Builder. So now we are in the UI Builder page. We are starting in the landing page, but the page we were on is the record page. So we need to select records page from here. And from here, this page, edit in original scope, and we can just change here by edit in original scope, otherwise everything is read only. And from here, this is not really what you see is what you get layout. So to navigate here, I know that it is a side panel. So when I do side, so the component where the buttons are, that is the contextual side panel. So we're going to click on that. And here we have all the existing ones with submenus and so on. And I already had created one with the one with the map. So I have named that map. Yeah, it's a long list, as you can see. But in order to create a new one, we can just click add, and let's name this one map 2 because we already have the original one. From here we can say again search for an icon, and there are a few that relate to map. So the other one I picked was map fill. Let's now choose map pin fill, and let's set this one to a really low order of minus 100. Now, this will create a new UI Builder page with the content of what will be in that page. We can add parameters, like, for example, a sysid of a record or other parameters. But for this demo, we aren't going to create anything. So now let's just add, for example, the easiest is to add an iframe. And by default, it will go to the Wikipedia page. Let's just save it. And let's change the width to 100%. And maybe keep the height, set the height to 700 or something. And now, if we're gonna reload our dashboard page, or the workspace I meant, here you see that we have added the icon because we set it to a really low order. It is on top. And as you can see, it has loaded the iframe in the Wikipedia page in an iframe. So you could do various things with this, and you could create maybe a chart page or use all the good stuff that we have available in our UI Builder. So add components, lots of components here, but this is the general idea. From here you can configure everything, and when you save it, the page will be updated. So I hope this is helpful. and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.